What's the difference between an essential oil and a fragrance oil? An essential oil is a compound derived from a fruit, a plant, an herb, a vegetable, bark. It can be steamed out of that product, or it can be cold pressed out as well. And some of them may have therapeutic properties, some may not, but they are from a natural element. Fragrance oils tend to be cheaper in cost. If they're used in cosmetics, makeup, soap, shampoo, they tend to be cheaper because they are mass-produced, manufactured, chemically made. Where essential oils tend to cost more because they are organic, they're natural. It takes a lot longer to produce. If the area where the lemon trees are growing is having a cold front and the lemon trees are not producing lemons, the lemon oil may not be in stock where lemon fragrance oil would be, because that's manufactured in a lab. And some examples of scents that are fragrance oils can be like a coconut vanilla or a rainwater. Those are artificially made scents. They smell great, but they're not pure essential oils, where an essential oil would just be lavender essential oil or vanilla essential oil. Fragrance oils do not have any kind of therapeutic benefit the way essential oils do, because fragrance oils are not derived from an actual plant or fruit. They're artificially made scents, where essential oils, some of them do have many therapeutic qualities. For example, lavender essential oil has many therapeutic qualities. It's been known to help with depression. It's been known to help with anxiety. It's been known to help with skin disorders. That's lavender essential oil. Lavender fragrance does not have any of those kind of therapeutic qualities. In the end, it all depends on what you like. Do you prefer fragrance oils, or do you prefer organic, natural essential oils? Some people are highly allergic to fragrance oils. Some are highly allergic to essential oils. So it all depends on what you like. It's always good to read the ingredients of products that you're using to see if it has a fragrance oil or an essential oil.